How to cancel your Polo AI subscription. Your first things first is access the Polo.ai's official site. Use up any preferred web browser you want, and in this video, I'm gonna be using Google Chrome. And once you're here, you'll have to log in to a certain account in which you'd like to cancel your subscription with. So once you're here, all you have to do next is this is very easy and straightforward to do. So all you have to do at the top right portion of your screen, you should be able to see your profile picture. If you will just hover your mouse, there's going to be a bunch of options for drop downs. Now just go ahead to billing, and if you're currently subscribed to either of these options right here, you should be able to check all of the options on the current subscriptions that you had. So say for example, you have this Pro or you have this Lite. Then once you have successfully purchased this subscription and you go to this option right here on billing, you should be able to see an option says cancel. And that's it. That's how easy and quick you can cancel a subscription on your Polo AI account.